The ASUS ROG Strix G18 is absolutely worth buying for anyone who wants serious gaming performance without compromises. If you are curious about the latest price of this gaming laptop, you can check it out from the description below. This machine brings together some of the strongest hardware available right now, starting with the AMD Ryzen 9 8940HX processor that handles demanding titles, multitasking, and streaming without slowing down. Paired with the new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 GPU, the laptop delivers smooth, modern gameplay supported by DLSS 4 and Max-Q features, so even visually heavy games run efficiently. Its massive 18-inch FHD plus 144Hz display gives you the space and fluidity gamers crave, and the new ACR film is a nice touch because it helps reduce glare and improves contrast, making long gaming sessions more comfortable. The 16GB DDR5 RAM is fast and efficient for everyday use, though heavy creators or competitive gamers may eventually want to upgrade. On the other hand, the 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD is quick and spacious enough for large game libraries. One of the biggest strengths of this laptop is its cooling system. ROG's tri-fan design, the full-width heatsink, and surround vents genuinely help keep temperatures in check, especially during long gaming nights. It's not the quietest laptop in performance mode, but the cooling payoff is worth it. The customizable RGB light bar adds personality, while stealth mode makes it suitable for work or study without drawing attention. Overall, the Strix G18 strikes a strong balance between power, display quality, and cooling, making it a dependable choice for gamers who want long-term value. To explore more details, performance reviews, or the latest pricing, make sure to check the link in the description below.